Trying to render a project, download a big file, or keep something running, and your Mac keeps going to sleep? You're not alone. Thousands search every day for how to prevent Mac from sleeping, or how to stop Mac sleep mode. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to keep your Mac and its display awake, whether temporarily or forever. Let's start with your system settings. Open System Settings, then click Battery from the sidebar. Now hit the Options button in the lower right. You'll see several toggles here, like slightly dim the display on battery, wake for network access, and most importantly, prevent automatic sleeping on power adapter when the display is off. Turn that one on. This keeps your Mac awake, even if the screen turns off. Also, toggle off. Put hard disks to sleep when possible, especially if you're using external drives or running background tasks. When done, click Done to save. Now, your Mac is far less likely to sleep during downloads, streams, or presentations. Need to keep your Mac awake just for a while, and maybe an hour or two? Use this terminal command, Caffeinate. While this is running, your Mac won't sleep, even if the lid is closed on some MacBooks. Want a timer? Use Caffeinate-T3600. That keeps it awake for 1 hour, or 3600 seconds. To stop it early, just press Ctrl+C. Prefer a visual tool? Download Amphetamine. It's free on the App Store and gives you full control over sleep behavior. You can keep your Mac awake for a set time. Prevent sleep while certain apps run. Auto-activate when your Mac is plugged in. After installing, grant accessibility permissions, then create a session from the menu bar icon. Easy, powerful, and always running when you need it. If you only want to stop the display from sleeping, but you're okay with the system idling, go to System Settings, Lock Screen, then set Turn Display Off when inactive to never. That's it. Your screen stays on. So, whether you're tweaking built-in settings, using a terminal trick, or installing a free app, now you know how to stop your Mac from falling asleep in macOS Sequoia. Use System Settings. Try Caffeinate in Terminal, or install Amphetamine for full control. Hit subscribe if this helped, and drop a comment if your Mac still nods off. I'll help troubleshoot.